You know what one of the worst pain during your teenage years is? Losing the best friend that you thought you would never lose. Remember when you guys used to hop in an online game of Fortnite or Valorant, any game, you would stay up all night telling each other just to play one more game. But now it's just silence. You guys rarely talk. You may see his account online, but he doesn't message you anymore or hop on like he used to. You guys used to be really great friends, but now you guys are just strangers with lots of memories together. It really hurts because you want to bring back the good old days and the good old memories, but you simply can't anymore because he doesn't feel the same way. For whatever reason it may be, it's unclear why your former best friend is no longer your best friend, and it makes you even more confused because you don't know where you went wrong. Maybe both of you simply grew up and your opinions on life just changed and your guys' goals just don't align anymore. I've been through this before as well, so let me teach you how to deal with the loss of a best friend. Firstly, give yourself permission to grieve. Now, friendship breakups can be confusing and hard to understand since they often lack of proper closure on why it ended. You may be confused on why he doesn't want to be your best friend anymore. So acknowledge that the pain is real and valid, okay? Do not say it's just a friend. Do not suppress the sadness because it will only make things worse in the long term. So acknowledge that you are sad and don't try to act happy just to get rid of the sadness. Secondly, establish a healthy distance. Now, if the friendship has ended, it is usually necessary to step away from all contact because continuing to text, stalking their social media in the hopes that one day they will talk to you back will make you become attached to the friend that doesn't even exist anymore. While you are stalking his or her socials, that person does not even think about you anymore. Is it really worth the energy you put in? So take a break if you need, alright? Take a break from TikTok, Instagram, all these apps. And trust me, it will prevent you from stalking them and it will help you remove this attachment from your former best friend. Thirdly, process your emotions in writing. What I want you to do is grab a notebook, grab a piece of paper, grab anything you can write on and start journaling. Write whatever comes out in your brain. It can be what you wanted to say to them if you could still talk to them, or it could be the things that you regret doing to them during your friendship. Whatever it may be, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just write down whatever you think to clear your brain. Write in the moment. Do not write to make it look neat, or do not write so that you can read it later again and think, wow, this is a masterpiece. No, you have to write down and clear your brain of this mess. Now, fourthly, expand your social circles gradually. Avoid rushing into replacing your former best friend with another best friend instantly. Alright, instead, you have to slowly fill your time by engaging in community activities, local clubs, or even new hobbies where you can interact with people who share your passion. Then you can naturally build another true friendship over time. Deep, long, meaningful friendships are not built instantly. They are built over time. When you guys see each other more, you guys have great chemistry and you guys connect easily. That is what builds a great friendship. Think about how you and your best friend got close. It's because you guys do many things together. But now that since your best friend is gone, you can find another one, but do not force friendships with other people and do not change your goals or yourself as a person just to make friends with new people. You will find another true best friend if you be yourself and stick to your passion and hobbies. Now, nobody deserves to suffer this loss, and if you're still watching, I hope that things turn out for the better for you. There's always a bright light at the end of a dark tunnel, and you just have to push through for now. Believe me, you got this, and stay strong.